Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see word problems of exercise 1.2 in your NCERT book. So the first question is, a book exhibition was held for 4 days in a school. The number of tickets sold at the counter on the first, second, third and final day was respectively, some numbers are given. Find the total number of tickets sold on all 4 days. So what they're saying is book exhibition was held at school for 4 days. So on the first day 1094 tickets were sold, on the second day 1812 tickets were sold, on the third day 2050 tickets were sold, on the fourth day 2751 tickets were sold. So if you add all this, we can get the total number of tickets. So first we are writing number of tickets sold on first day, number of tickets sold on second day, number of tickets sold on third day and on the fourth day, which is 2751. So if you add all this, you are going to add all this, you will get the answer as 7707. So totally 7707 tickets were sold on all 4 days. Your second question is, Shekhar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 6,980 runs in test matches. He wishes to complete 10,000 runs. How many more runs does he need? So what they are telling is, Shekhar is a famous cricket player. He has totally scored 6,980 runs, but he wants to touch and complete 10,000 runs. So how much more runs he needs, they are asking. So it is simple, right? If you subtract 10,000 minus 6,980 runs, we can easily find out how many more runs he needs to score. So we can go for the answer. The answer is, the runs to achieve 10,000. He totally runs scored, it is 6,980. So if you subtract 0 minus 0 is 0 and then 0 minus 8 we have to find out. So I am cancelling 0 and writing 10. So 10 minus 8 is 2. So this will become 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. This also becomes 9. 9 minus 6 is 3 and then this becomes 0. So 3020. So totally he required 3020 runs. Your next question will be, in an election, the successful candidate registered 5,77,500 votes and his nearest rival secured 3,48,700 votes. By what margin did the successful candidates win the election? So what they are saying, a candidate secured these many number of votes, 5 lakh something, and then another candidate, the candidate who failed, he scored these many number of votes, 3 lakh something. By how many votes did the selected candidates win the election, they are asking. So it is again simple, right? If you subtract 5 lakh from 3 lakh, you can easily get the answer. So we are going to the answer. Number of votes secured by successful candidate, it is 5,77,500. Number of votes secured by nearest rival, it is 3,48,700. So you are going to subtract, as I said. 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0. I solved it here. 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 in 5, 7 will not go, so I am borrowing. So it becomes 15. 15 minus 7 is 8. Here it will, since I borrowed, it becomes 6. 6 will not go in 8, so it becomes 16. And since I am borrowing, this will become 6. 16 minus 8 is 8. 6 minus 6 will go in 4. So 6 minus 4 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. So 2,28,800 votes. So the successful candidate won by how many votes? 2,28,800 votes. And the next question is, Kriti bookstore sold books worth rupees 2,85,891 in the first week of June and books worth 4,768 in the second week of the month. How much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? In which week was the sale greater and by how much? They are asking, Kriti sold books in the first week of June, how much? 2,85,891. In the second week of the month, she is selling for 4,768. They are asking how much was the sale together. And also they asked in which week was the sale greater. Which week was the sale greater? That you can easily see by seeing the rupees. So on the second week was the sale greater. And by how much? By how much means if you subtract, you can easily find out by how much was the sale greater. 4 lakh minus 2 lakh will give you the answer. Now come, let's get into the procedural answer. Books sold in first week. Books sold in first week, it is 2,85,891. Books sold in second week, it is 4,768. They asked you how many books were sold together both the week. Total books sold. So if you add both, addition is easy. So I am simply saying the answer alone, 6,86,659. Since 4 lakh is greater than 2 lakh, so second week sales is greater than first week. That I already told you. The 4 lakh is higher, so second week the sales is higher than first week. So books sold in second week, how much? 4,768. Books sold in first week, how much? 2,85,891. So if you subtract, you can find how much books was sold. By how much books were sold in second week. If you subtract, you get the answer as 1,14,877. So 1,14,877 more books were sold in second week. Your next question is, I hope you understand the answer. Next question is, find the difference between the greatest and the least number that can be written using the digits 6, 2, 7, 4, 3. Each only once. So for this the answer is greatest 5-digit number you are going to write. What they asked, the question find the difference between the greatest and the least number. So you are going to find the difference. Difference is nothing but subtraction. Subtraction between the greatest number and the least number. Using the digits 62743. So using this digit you are going to write the greatest number and then smallest number. So only once you are going to write and you are going to find the difference. So greatest 5-digit number using digits 624743. So it is, already I told you the highest number comes as 76432. Smallest 5-digit number, it comes reverse of this 2347467. In my previous video I explained very clearly difference. So you are going to find the difference. If you find the difference, you get the answer as 52,965. Therefore the difference is 52,965. That's your answer. They asked you to find the difference only, right? So the difference is 52,965. So the next question is, a machine on an average manufactures 2,825 screws a day. How many screws did it produce in the month of January 2006? It is a bit an indirect question. They said on one day the machine produces 2,825 screws. So how many screws is produced on the month of January? You know already January has 31 days. So if you multiply 2825 into 31, you will get the answer. So we can go for procedural answer. Number of screws manufactured in one day, it is 2,825. Number of days in the month of January, it is 31 days. So 2,825 into 31, it is 87,575. Therefore the machine produced 87,575 screws in the month of January. So in this exercise you totally have 12 questions. I completed the first 6 questions. The next 6 questions will be in the next video, that is part 2 video. So if you like the video, do subscribe, like and share and comment. Thank you friends.